How to book flight in Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can book flight in Expedia. Now here, as you can see, I've not installed the app. I just uninstalled it since I was getting some sort of error, but I'll be showing you on the browser. So you can, if you want to do it on browser, you can head into your browser, and on your browser you want to search in for expedia.com, or you can do so on the application. Now in browser you'll get an interface like this once you're logged in. Now here you want to select the option flights. At the top you can see stays, flights, cars, packages. Now since you want to book your flight, you want to simply select the flights option. Once you select the flights option, you'll be able to choose your flight class. Here you can choose economy, premium economy, business class, or first class, anything you want, and then you want to choose your living point, and here you can choose a city or airport. I'll just choose a simple airport here. Now once you do so, what you want to do is you want to select your destination as well. You can select your destination here, and once you select your destination as well, you want to select your date. Once you select the date, you can choose any date that you want, 22, 23 or such, and your month, and then you can choose the number of travelers. Now here you can see you can add number of adults if you have, how many adults you want, how many children 2 to 17, how many infants on lap younger than 2, how many infants in seat younger than 2. So once you do so, you want to choose the number of person here. Then you simply tap on done and then tap on search, and you'll be able to find the flights if it is available. Now you'll only find the search for the flights if it's available. If it is not available, you won't be able to see it. In this case, you can see it's taking some time to load up. Now let this load up, and you can see it says sorry, we couldn't find any flight from New York to Melbourne on Friday, September 22. So you might want to recheck your flight schedule, and once you do so, you'll be able to book it if you find it right here. So this way you can book flight in Expedia. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.